Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again, guys. We came back in another video. So as you see in here, that the daily candle what it did and what else we told you in the last video, you can find it still in the channel. Look at it. As we told you here in that zone, exactly here. That one here, what we told you, the two candles, the one, the green one and the red one. What we told you, those ones, they are very powerful candles, like here and like here. Those ones, when they came together, they indicating the market is going to reverse, guys, and that's what is indicating here. Look at that red candle of today, the market is reversing, guys. But one thing here, it's very important. The market is very dry, guys. There is no power in the market. There is no buyers, no sellers. All of them, they are equal, guys. Everything, it's flat. No one want to invest. All the people, they still worried what was going to happen, what the future is bringing, because US market is showing a fake going up, but for the market to go up, it needs some fundamental or macroeconomical to show that, but there is nothing showing that. I'm talking here about fundamental. There is nothing showing the market is going to get healthy again. Plus macroeconomical, you see the war is getting more worse every day. Winter is in the doors. The petrol and the gas crisis is getting more worse and worse. So there is nothing it's showing the market is going to back up quickly. So that's what me I told you. It's still very early for you to think to invest, guys. And down here, the volume, as you see it, guys, there is the no volume here, and that's what me have been telling you. And here in the daily, let me show you more what we got here. As we said here in the daily, if it doesn't come and breaking for us here, we are not going to enter. And as you see it, guys, it doesn't even come to it. And down here in that place, we still have that supply and demand zone. And here we got that head and shoulder, guys, like that, as you see it. So that one, what we call it, is the quietness before the storm came. So the market now, it's showing you it's very quiet, but a storm is coming, guys. We don't know when. And even here, he give you a small head and shoulder, as you see it, guys. So we don't know what's going to happen, either to break down and we're going to go till 10K, guys, or we're going to go higher. But the problem here, there is no one want to sell. All those people they holding the Bitcoin, they said they are not going to sell. And I tell that to you before. The only players now in the market here in that zone here is only small players, those day traders and scalpers, and those ones, they don't hold in a lot of Bitcoin. And the Bitcoin, what can we say? The supply is getting dry because there is getting more difficulty to mine the Bitcoin, and the price for mining the Bitcoin is getting higher. Plus the halving cycle is very close. We are at 2024 is going to be the halving cycle, guys. I show you all those things before. I think everything is too clear here. So now let's go into see our other indicators, guys, what they say for the picture to be more clear to you. By the way, let me tell it to you here in the daily, there is nothing confirmed, guys. There is no buying opportunity here in the daily. There is no buying opportunity here in the daily. If you are an investor, not yet. Remember that. Everything is too clear. By the way, you watching me now, are you not yet subscriber? Yes, I'm talking to you. Are you not yet subscriber in our channel? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Also, guys, every day we put in 2 videos analyzing for you the Bitcoin. Every day, 2 videos analyzing for you the Bitcoin. So like that, you will be very well updated what the Bitcoin doing right now. It's very simple. It will not take you ages to be subscribed, my friend. Just a red button down, click at it, next to it a bell, turn it to all, so like that when you put in something new, you're going to be the first one who get notified, my friend. You done it? Welcome to the family. Now let's go to see our other indicators, guys, what the same for the picture to be more clear to you. That one here, we said it when it being here, we tell you it's still very early for us to enter. And here, as you see it, where we are us now, we are down in the trend line, guys. Yes or no? So what that indicating? It's indicating one thing. You are still in the control of the bears, guys. There is no bulls yet. No bulls enter to the Bitcoin market in the daily. By the way, that indicator is only for daily, guys. Everything is too clear. And if you are a beginner and you don't understand nothing about technical analysis, down below in the first comment there is our highly recommended course. The course is it in Udemy. It's more than 9 hours course, and the course is not expensive. It's only 13 bucks. It's the price of a cup of coffee, my friend. Go to it using the link down. You're going to get a discount of 85%. Go to it and you're going to learn from professional people. And believe me, that course is better than millions of courses. They are online. They sell it to you by $1,000 or $2,000. Everything is too clear here. Now let's go into see our other indicator in the daily, guys, for the picture to be more clear to you. As you see it, guys, as we're still in the daily here, that our other indicator, guys, as you see it, we told you we got here at divergence. We said it thousands of times. And we are here at the oversold area, guys. Should we buy? No, my friend. It's not yet. It's still very, 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 very early for you to buy here in the daily, guys. In the daily, it's not yet. Those ones, they are just oscillators, guys. They don't work in all the time. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. But if you want to enter in very, very safe, you need to wait in the price action, guys. Everything is too clear. So that's it for the daily, guys. Now let's go into the 4 hours to see what the Bitcoin doing right now in the 4 hours for swing trading. By the way, I know you are a subscriber. Do you smash the like button, my friend? Go ahead and do it. Helping us, guys. Smashing the like button, writing down a comment. You know that channel without you it can growing up. Yes, you. Smashing the like button, please. You done it? Thank you very, very, very much, my friend. Let's go in now to the 4 hours to see what is it there. Here we are, guys, in the 4 hours. In the 4 hours, if you remember, also we enter from that candle and here we take some profit. Yes or no? Now look what the Bitcoin done till where we are, guys, till here. And the last video we used to be here in that green candle, that one. What did I told you? I told you, look at that candle, the push it's being from up, guys. What's it done here? It pushed till down here. And that candle which is going now, by the way, it's left for 2 hours to finish that one. What's it showing to you? What is the pushing, guys? Look at it. Very, very clear here. Where is the pushing happening? The pushing it's happened from down, guys. That's when people, they don't want it to fall down in that level here. Yes or no? And what the Bitcoin is giving you here, I tell it to you in the last video. What did I told you, guys? I told you it tried to give you here a M or double top. Did it breaking down? Not yet, my friend. It doesn't break here. Look at that. It came here, the Bitcoin. It came here to that supply and demand zone here. That one. Then it's showing here a pushing to going up, guys. So now either you're going to see other candles they come in here. Then after that you're going to see it going up because you're still in a very sideways market, guys. Plus what you got here. Here you came to those ones, guys, like that. And you draw it like that. What you got? The market tried to give you here a triangle, guys. Yes or no? As you see it. So now, either from that level here, that level where we are now, because that candle is in that level here, you're going to see the Bitcoin going up till here again, or you're going to see it breaking down, guys. Because look at the volume down, guys. Look at it. What it's showing you, the volume here. The volume is very, 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 very flat, guys. There is no one buying, no one selling. Everything is too clear, and I'm going to come to update you guys after the daily candle finished. So if you are not subscriber, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Or you can even join our Telegram channel. The link of our Telegram channel is in the first comment. So like that, you're going to be notified more quicker than here in YouTube. You done it? Welcome to the family. Now let's go into see our indicators in the 4 hours. What they saying for the picture to be more clear to you. That our indicator, guys, in the 4 hours. And here what you seeing. Came here, he touch here. And I'll show you how I draw the trend line. Now what it's showing here, it's breaking that wall. And now you are in the control of the bears, guys. In that time when us were registering that video, you are in the control of the bears, guys. What should you do? To buy? No, not yet, my friend. I told you, you got here a double top like that. Is it breaking for you the lower of it? Here? No, my friend. It doesn't break in here. When it's breaking here, maybe we're going to enter short. But now, not yet, guys. It's still early for you to thinking of to enter short, guys. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into see our other indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you in the 4 hours, guys. That one here in the 4 hours, guys, also we enter long because we been here at the oversold area in that place. And we're taking profit here exactly because that one here, it's being green, guys. Now what it's showing here, it's showing a rejection. Should you buy, should you sell? That one here, it doesn't tell you no buying, no selling. I'm talking here about 4 hours, guys. There is no buying, no selling in the 4 hours. In the 4 hours, just wait the opportunity to come to you. And it's very, very, very simple. When there is an opportunity, us, the first people, we're going to tell it to you. It's very simple. Just a red button down, click at it, next to it a bell, turn it to all. So when there is an opportunity, you're going to get it. It's like a free signal. We give it to you here, guys. You done it? Or you can even join our Telegram channel. The link of our Telegram channel is in the first comment, my friend. You done it? Welcome to the family, guys. So here in the 4 hours, there is nothing confirmed. Everything still not clear. So there is no opportunity in the 4 hours, guys. And here in the 4 hours, what did I told you here? Before I show it to you, that one, it's okay to repeat it again. I show you, you got here a triangle, guys, like that. I told you either to break up or to break down. It doesn't break no up, no down, guys. Also, we still inside and we still sideways, guys, and there is no volume indicating the market is going to reverse. So it's still very early for you to thinking of to enter long, guys. Everything is too clear? By the way, did you smash the like button? I know you don't. Go ahead and do it, my friend. Smashing the like button helping us, guys. Smash the like button, write down a comment helping us, guys, and if you could even share the video. You done it? Thank you very much, my friend. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what the Bitcoin doing right now in 30 minutes, and for the picture should be more clear to you guys. Here in 30 minutes, guys, the last video, what did I told you here? I told you the market, it gave us here a head and shoulder. I told you if it's breaking up, you enter long. Did it break? No, my friend, it doesn't break here. Now, what you still have here, look with me here, like that and like that. What the Bitcoin giving you, guys? The Bitcoin is giving you here a triangle, guys. Yes or no? Now, if it came and breaking here, you enter long, guys, here in 30 minutes. Take profit of you. It needs to be here exactly in that place. Everything is too clear, guys? Remember my word. Look at it. You are in a very stronger supply and demand zone, guys. And we show it to you even in the 4 hours. Second thing, you got a price action, guys, here. Look at it. You got here a triangle like that. Yes or no? Third things, our indicator, guys. Let's see it. Our indicator is showing you are at the oversold area, and that one you have been followed all the whole day, guys. Here you are at the oversold price action. You got a price action level. You are in a very stronger level, guys. So now if it's breaking here, you enter long, guys, and I'm going to come back to you guys after the daily candle finished. So I think that's it, guys. That's it for that video. See you in the daily candle. Finish it, guys. Bye for now.